How to fix banned on TikTok Live. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through on how we can fix banned on TikTok Live. So let's go into the process on how we can fix that. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're looking for how we can fix that banned on TikTok Live, head over to your profile by clicking on the bottom right. You can find that profile tab on your screen. After that is done, you're just gonna tap on the three horizontal lines at the screen, at the upper right corner of your screen, and you're just gonna head over to the settings and privacy of the TikTok account that you wanna fix the issue in the TikTok Live. So there may be certain reasons why your TikTok Live is banned. Maybe you have violated the rules and regulations of the TikTok application. So you may just head over and go look for the option called report a problem here or support directly. So you're just gonna go ahead and tap on support. After tapping on support, you're gonna go to the help center here. And after going to the help center, you're gonna wait for the screen to load up first, and you will be finding a chat section where you can directly chat with the supporting system supporting customer care of the TikTok. Otherwise, head back and go to the report a problem section. And here, report a problem section, when you scroll down a bit, you can find the option called chat with us. You can just go ahead and click on this chat with us section. So here, you can go ahead and look up for your problem here, type in your problem. You can either do it from this section or you can go to the report section and click on how to report. After that, there, what you're going to do is try to convince the TikTok app in order to get your account back. So just ensure that you're not going to repeat the same mistakes of violating the rules and regulations of the TikTok application, and go on with some of the process they ask you to do. So after that is completed, your account should be back within some days. So follow the steps in order to get your TikTok account live banned account. So that's how you basically do it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.